Pause and copy everything you see here. Pause and copy. And we have the familiar vector parametric equation for a line. And just to remind you of how this works, here's a little picture here. We have the line here. It's parallel to this vector v, which is -1, 1. And it goes through this point 3, 1 right here. Okay, we're going to convert this to a even more familiar form just by fiddling with this stuff here. This equation here, rather. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to recombine. I'm going to combine these two vectors. I'll move the t in, and then I'll combine those two vectors. So x is equal to 3 minus t, and then 1 plus t. And then remember that our vector x is in fact usually written as xy. So we get x is equal to 3 minus t, x without the arrow on top, and y is equal to 1 plus t. And what I'll do now is solve both of these equations for t. So t is equal to x, 3 minus x, and t is also equal to y minus 1. So what I get there is that 3 minus x is equal to y minus 1. So we have just a single equation involving x and y. So you can rearrange this however you please. Maybe the most familiar would be negative x plus 4. So this is the equation of the line that has slope -1. Okay, that's what we have here. And the y-intercept would be 4. Well, that would be up here somewhere, but I think that's reasonable. Okay, and another way to write this is to write it as x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, this form here is sometimes called the slope-intercept form. This is called sometimes, this one down here is called the standard form, or we will call it the normal form, or the normal equation. For this line. Now, why do we use the word normal? What's this word normal in there for? Well, I want you to first appreciate that if this vector is parallel, then if this vector is parallel to my line, then the vector going like this is actually perpendicular. So let's write that down here as a bullet point. N is equal to 1, 1 is, my ink is running out, is perpendicular or another way to say this is to say it's normal. Is normal to the line. So we have this vector 1, 1, which you can draw something like this. So n for normal. You can see that it's perpendicular, or in other words, normal to the line here. And you have these coefficients, or these numbers 1 and 1. And you can see they are appearing here and here, 1x, 1y. That's not a coincidence, as we will see in our next definition.